How to fix iPhone selfie flipping problem. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix iPhone selfie flipping problem. That is your iPhone not mirroring your front camera's photos. So before we begin with the fix, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's continue. First thing that you'll need to do is head over to your settings. On your settings, you'll need to scroll down until you find the camera option. So tap on camera, and now what you'll need to do is head over to the composition section where you will see mirror front camera. Tap on that. After you tap on that, you can head back and then open up your camera. After you open up your camera, you can start clicking selfies and you'll notice that your photos from the front camera is now being mirrored. And yeah, that's basically how you fix your problem. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.